from you guys basically. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie, and in today's eating show we're gonna be eating guys. Here I have 3 different little instant tteokbokki. I've been hoarding these for some reason. Here I have the jajang one. He's handsome. And I was like, what? There's a habanero tteokbokki with this little, I guess, Mexican guy. And I love cheese, so here we are again. These are on sale for around $2.50 each. I'm not kidding when I said I've been hoarding. Like, I really love them, guys. So much. So it's the morning time. I'm kind of craving eggs and bacon, but then I want to eat tteokbokki, so I thought I should try to make something interesting out of these. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get cooking in the kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. So I decided let's create an epic omelette. Let's go. Salt. I want a really nice yellow color. See, I have some leftover turkey bacon. Gonna go ahead and add our bacon. Shout out to my mom, she helped me make rice this morning. Soy sauce. What the? Here's our omelet. And I have made some dumplings. Play now. Go for it. I want some tteokbokki on top. Just a little bit. There wasn't even supposed to be cheese in this recipe, but you know I love cheese, so I'll have my coldest water bottle here for water, but then I'll have my drink right here, Malona. Ooh, it's green. Cheers. I could finish this in like 10 seconds. Let's open this up, guys. I'm so excited. Whoa. The powder on this spoon is from the carbonara tteokbokki. There's rice inside. Yum. Bon appetit. on some of this egg. This is so delicious. If it doesn't look pretty, I'm sorry, but this is amazing. Oh, spicy. Cheese tteokbokki. Ooh. Egg and tteokbokki are pretty good. This is so good, I'm speechless. It comes with glass noodles. Oh my god, I love this. I give this a 10 out of 10, guys. It's my new favorite. I like it more than the samyang one. Let's try this one now. This is a jjajangmyeon. So if you like jjajangmyeon and tteokbokki, this was made for you. It's sweet. I really like the noodles in here. I recommend it, guys, if you guys ever see it at the store. It's really good. The cheese one is okay. It's okay. Just going for some rice. Luckily, I have rice to soak in all this sauce. By the way, shout out to my sponsors for today's video, Shein.com. They sent me this really cute little pajama set. It's so luxurious. This is like the most expensive pajamas I own, but it's like so worth it. I've been wearing it non-stop, and that's what I wanted to wear in this video too. So if you're interested, make sure you check the links down below. I also have a coupon. You'll save an extra 15% off. Yay! Okay, let's continue because I'm so hungry. Look at that steam. Oh. And cheese. The glass noodles in here, they're really good for instant, to be honest. And the tteokbokki are really small, but they're tasty. not cheese. By the way, we just hit 200,000 subscribers on this channel, and I'm shook because I just barely received this, so I'm shook. I'm really shook, guys. I love how there's steam stuck in there. I'm getting full, my loves. Okay guys, I ate half of it. I want to save some room for dessert. It's a cake in a box, but I got it at the 9 store, but they charged me for $1.99. Hey guys, you guys ready? Whoa. Better not be mold. Oh my gosh, I love this smell of chocolate. This is like an early Christmas present. Guys, this is my first time having a cake in a box. Oh my god. Okay. Try some. Bon appetit. What? Panettone with chocolate chips. Oh, it tastes kind of funny. This is what panettone tastes like. It tastes funny, guys. It tastes funny. Now I know not to buy this. First thing you see is this black protection thingy. Here's a little letter from YouTube. Is this real? I know like not a lot of other YouTubers do this in front of the camera, but because I just wanted to do this. Like, this is a gift not only for me, but like for us, our team here, our jewels. It's from you guys, basically. Oh, I can see myself. It feels so weird. I never seen anything like this. My name was on there. My name is on there. Oh my gosh, guys, I never thought this day would come. What the heck? I never even imagined this day. Yeah, you guys got me here. Thank you so much.